Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Metabank account with Netspend. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed and turn on the notification in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and there on the URL bar, search for Metabank login with Netspend. And there you have to tap on the second link, Login Netspend All Access Account. Now once you tap on it, you will directly take into its login page. Now you have to type in your username and password of your account. If in case you have forgotten either your username or password, you can retrieve it by tapping on Forget Your Username or Password link. Now, if you want your system to remember your username, then you can tick the square box so that you don't have to manually type in your username in your future logins. But if you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on Login button. And once you tap on Login button, you will get access to your Metabank account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your Metabank account with Netspend. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.